Just want to share with you guys this modification I'm doing on this Krell S1200 3D. Basically, I'm replacing the signal caps, which carry the signal through the audio path. There were previously these right here. They're basically just 105 degree generic nichicons, and I'm replacing them with these through-hole nichicon ES series. That's their highest end through-hole cap for signal, for non-polarized caps. And they're basically, not intended to go in here. So what you have to do is bend the legs out, try to get them close to 90 degrees as you can, clip them off, and you got just on each pad, you got to solder them just to the very edge of the pad. They just barely make it. And you want to put a lot of solder on there, to get a good connection. And it's pretty tedious to do. And I think I pulled a pad doing one of these, and I had to jumper it to the point they would normally go to. But I'll let you guys know how it turned out. My motivation for doing this was this was previously my all-time favorite processor, but it got slightly bettered by the foundation and Krell's foundation, and foundation just a little better in the dialogue, a little more natural sounding. So I'm hoping to kind of even the playing field with this right here. And this is a lot more moddable than the foundation. The foundation is just, everything's just so compact. It's actually engineering feat. They got that kind of sound quality out of that small space. So kudos to them. But I'm trying to get this unit sounding a little better. And something I previously did, you're only going to want to do one mod at a time, because if you do a bunch at the same time, you're not going to really know how much of an effect. And now what I previously did is I replaced these, I tacked these 3300 microfarad Nichicon VRs across the bridge rectifiers that go to the analog stage. And that theoretically should give you a little better bass, and maybe just a tad, not really night and day. I'm probably going to go with a esoteric brand of a cap. Nichicon, DigiKey and Mauser are pretty much just about out of the audio grade caps of this size, so I'll probably have to order from somewhere like Parts Connection to find something that's, that big and it's a pretty decent audiophile cap, and maybe that'll have a little bit more profound effect. Might even go up on the size a little bit, but anyway, I just want to share this with you guys, and I'll let you guys know how it turned out in the comments. Thanks for watching.